Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today what we'll do is we'll do a little bit of mathematics for CBSE syllabus. And this is for 7th grade. The textbook which we will be following is something like this: CPA, Macmillan Edition, Enhanced, a Singapore Approach. Yeah, one of my students sent me this textbook. So I will start working on this. And the chapter what we will be doing is a two. What is this? 1 second. Linear equation. Okay, we'll be doing linear equation. What I'll do is I will start solving the problem, explain the basics as we go, and I'll also see you guys in the class. Okay, so we'll start with exercise 7.1, page number 109. First question is solve the following equations. Okay. A. X plus 8 equals 9. Guys, in this equation, right, there are two parts to it. One is the left hand side and other is right hand side. On the left hand side, make sure you always write the variable. Okay. On the right hand side, you'll always write the constant. And when any variable or a constant moves from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, if it is positive, it becomes negative. If it is negative, it becomes positive, vice versa. Okay. And if it is multiplication, it becomes division. And if it is division, it becomes multiplication. Okay, you'll understand this as we keep on solving the problem. Now, x plus 8 equals 9. Therefore, x equals 9 minus 8. X equals 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's all. Okay, let's go for B. No, what I'll do is I will skip. I want you guys to do B and send it to me. I'll do C. X minus 9 equals 5. Again, two parts to it. Left hand side, right hand side, variable on the left hand side. On the right hand side, it will be constant. Yeah, since you have a negative number on the left hand side, when it goes to the right hand side, it becomes positive. Okay, so x minus 9 equals 5. X becomes, so what happens is this constant guy, right? He says, hey, you are a variable, ma, not like me. I will go and join my friend on the right side. And he jumps. So this is x kicks him out. Hey, waga, go, bacha. So he comes and he falls here. Hey, you came, huh? This 5 says, and they both come together and becomes what? 14. X is equal to 14. Yeah. Now I'll skip D. I will do E. E is quite interesting. Look at this. X by 2 is equal to 3. Again, left hand side, right hand side, variable on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we'll always have a constant. since this is division, right? X by 2, look at this. X by 2 is a division. It's nothing but x divided by 2, correct? Or you can also write it as x divided by 2 equals 3. When he jumps on the right hand side, he becomes multiplication. So we already spoke about the division becomes multiplication. Multiplication becomes division when they jump like this. Okay, so x by 2 equals 3, or you can also think like cross multiplication. Okay, universal denominator is 1. They both do cross multiplication like this. X times 1 equals 2 times 3. X equals 6. Here, right, in cross multiplication, the sign doesn't change. Whatever it is, they'll jump off. Okay. Yeah, let's look at cross multiplication. All right. Now, what's the next one? I will do G, not F. G. A-G, O-G, Lo-G, Suno-G. Yeah. 4x equals 24. Guys, this is very basic. If you remember this, right? Nothing like you know everything, but remember this first. People say, no, if you remember this, if you know this, 90% of algebra is done. Nothing like that, man. There's not even 1% of anything. Okay. Left hand side, right hand side. On left hand side, always keep variable. On right hand side, always keep constant. Okay. Now, this is nothing but 4 times x equals 24. Here, multiplication, when it jumps on the other side, becomes division, not D. So, x equals 24 by 4. X equals 4 times 1 is 4 times 6, 6. Okay. Now we'll do I for an eye makes the whole world blind. God knows. This is a combination of both addition, subtraction, and multiplication, right? So simple. Left hand side, right hand side. On the left hand side, make sure you always keep variable. On the right hand side, whatever constants are there, push them to the right hand side. Okay. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus when they jump. And multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication when they jump. Now look at this. 2x minus 3 equals 7. First is kick this variable, constant to the right side. Yeah. Tell them, you don't belong here. 2x equals 7 plus 3. 2x equals 10. Now there's one more constant guy, right? Sleeping here. So what this x does is, hey, you also go that side. Yeah. But what to do? This guy has multiplied him. Okay. So when he goes on the other side, he has to divide this guy. Ayyo. Friends, I'm dividing you by 2. So x becomes 5. Okay. Now let's do Kiran. Oh, Saruk Khan. 5x plus 2 equals minus 3. Left hand side, right hand side, variable, constant. If it's a positive number, when he comes on the other side, he becomes negative. If it's a negative number, when he comes on the other side, he becomes positive. It can be variable also. Variable, if it comes on the other side, it becomes negative. Yeah. And if it is a multiplication, when it comes to the other side, it becomes division. division becomes multiplication. But this is an interesting problem. Look at this. The equation says minus 5x plus 2 equals minus 3. Minus 5x. Now this guy jumps, hey, I don't like your variables. I'll go and join my friend who is constant, who will give me instant value. Minus 5x equals minus 5. Now this x says, hey, enough pa, you guys, where constants, you go on the other side. X equals minus 5 by minus 5. See here, this minus 5, who has multiplied this guy, right? When it comes to division, he doesn't change his sign. He says, I will retain my sign. You do whatever you want. But since on the denominator also it's minus, numerator also it's minus, they both say, oh, okay, why minus minus? Let's become plus. Minus minus get cancelled and they become plus 1, or x equals 1. All right. Now I will solve one more problem, and it's not like I want to give you a break. I myself will take a break. M 1 by 4x plus 9 equals 6. Left hand side, right hand side, constant, variable, positive when the jump here becomes negative, negative when the jump here becomes positive. Okay, multiplication when the jump here becomes negative. Sorry, division when the jump here becomes multiplication. All right, now 1 by 4x plus 9 equals 6. 1 by 4x, not multiply, x equals 6 minus 9. 1 by 4x equals 9 minus 6 is 3. Since minus sign is on 9, it becomes minus 3. Now look at this. 1 by 4x is nothing but 1 by 4 into x. What I'm writing. 1 by 4 into x equals minus 3. Now there is a multiplication, right? Or I'll show an easy way instead of confusing you with more steps. 1 by 4x equals x by 4. Correct? Do cross multiplication. X into 1 equals minus 3 into 4. X equals minus 12. Okay, that's it, guys. Let's stop here and we will meet in class. Thank you.